Hey guys, welcome back. Well, in this episode, in this little segment, we are separating the block and axle from the rear case. I've already got all the nuts out all the way around. I removed the center pin or stud that attaches the, I guess this would be like the front axle stay, that attaches it to the front of the rear case. Everything is loose, and I noticed that the kingpin in this is very, very worn, so I don't know what we're going to do with that, but this thing is pretty much ready to come off, so see if we can get it to roll away. Maybe I need to lower it a little here. Or raise the middle. Yeah, maybe that did the trick here. Whoop. There we go. So I wanted to do it this way so that I could kind of move the front axle and everything aside, and I can actually tip the block over upside down so that I can get to the nuts on the front axle bracket that bolts to the bottom of the block. It'd be a lot easier to get to those things, I think. That's my plan anyway. So we'll just go ahead and gently lie it down. For a second. We'll see if we can't pick it up from the back side here. Gotta find my clevis. I think these will work. I hear Raylan. Is this going to be wide enough? No, of course not. Okay, I'll be right back with you. Okay, all the nuts are out, or off for the rear or front axle. Hold on, almost done. And we're loose. You gonna go up with it? Okay, go up, pull, keep going. Okay. Okay, look out, Raylan. You can't be close to it because it might tip over.